This isn't about signals, it's structure, timing, discipline. Welcome to the Fiboblock channel. One setup, one zone, one strategy. Welcome back to Fiboblock trading. This week I am focusing on three key markets: EURUSD, USDJPY and Nasdaq. I'll walk you through my bias, the levels I'm watching, and how I will be approaching each chart using the Fiboblock candle system. Now let's get into it. Looking at the dollar index, when we start analyzing, doing the top-down analysis, marking down the key points, key zones, so we can see where the price is strong and where the price is not. So as you can see, I started on a daily time frame, moving down to the 4-hourly, just to mark my key zone so I could see the clear picture. Okay, zooming in now. As you can see, the price just broke out of the big consolidation. As you can see, now the price created a bullish channel, which indicates that the price has been moving in a strong bullish structure, creating higher highs and higher lows, which tell me buyers are still in control. As you can see, I'm drawing my Fibonacci retracement. Now the price is at my point of interest, which is between 61.8% and 78.6%. That's my point of interest. That's the Fiboblock zone. That's where I enter mostly, but I don't blindly enter, which I look for other confirmations. I don't blindly enter on that zone. The reason dollar index is so important is because it gives us a bigger picture for USD pairs like EURUSD, GBP USD and USDJPY. If the dollar stays strong, we expect more downside pressure on majors, and if it weakens, those pairs could push higher. So going into the week, I'm keeping a close eye on how price reacts around that resistance. My bias stays bullish unless the market gives me a clear reversal signal. Moving on to EURUSD. When we start analyzing, we're doing the top-down analysis, marking our key points, our key zones, so we could see which zones are important and which ones are not. So moving down to 4-hourly time frame, as you can see, the price has been bullish. Just now it's showing the signs of reversal. So dollar index and EURUSD, they like exact opposite. If you can take one chart and flip it, you're gonna see the other pair. So here we have a bearish channel. This is a bearish channel which indicates reversal. As you can see, a double top which equal highs. Now I'm drawing my Fibonacci there. As you can see, the price is at our point of interest between 61.8% and 78.6%. My bias is leaning bearish as long as we stay below $1.18300. But I'm also aware that a clean breakout above could trigger a bullish continuous towards the next major supply on the 4-hourly chart. I am tracking a tight range that's likely to break early in the week. If we can get a bearish move, I want to see a retest of the broken structure before committing to shorts. On the bullish side, confirmation candles, volume spikes are my trigger before entering long positions. This week I expect a decisive move. The goal is to catch the second leg after the first break. Now moving on our second pair of the week, which is USDJPY. As you know, when I'm start analyzing, I do a top-down analysis, marking my key points from the highest time frame to the lowest. So here it is on the daily time frame. I'm marking down my key point, and you see the price has been respecting last week's high as a major resistance level. We're seeing a strong bullish momentum. As now I'm going to the 4-hourly, just seeing what's interesting as I'm drawing my Fiboblock, Fibonacci Fiboblock. confuse the two. Moving down onto the hourly time frame, as I'm drawing down my Fibonacci retracement, as you can see, the price just overlapped on 0.786, which creating a tight range there, but then the price didn't close below 78.6%, so we're still bullish on this, even though I'm indecisive, but then it's still bullish. As you can see, the price is in the tight range right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for the price to break above and retest so I can go bullish, or the price to break below so I can go for shorts. Break below, then retest so I can go for shorts. But now I'm just patient. I will avoid chasing any breakout without a resistance. Patient will be the key here. Watching for rejection candlestick to confirm entries, and I will be doing that. But then I'm much confident on the buys, on the bullish side. I'm much more confident. Now I'm just checking the possibilities. Not that I'm anticipating what the market is gonna do. I'm just seeing if the Fibonacci is gonna give me an entry right where in the middle of that range. But that's it for USDJPY. But let's see how the market goes. You know, the market is the market. You know the drill, you know the drill. Finally, moving on to the last pair, which is Nasdaq. As you know, when I'm analyzing top-down analysis, marking my key levels so I can see which price is strong and which one is not, which level is strong and which one is not. You know the drill. As I'm moving on to the hourly time frame, as you can see, we're close to the all-time high. And as you can see, we've had a strong bullish run, but the price is now testing a supply area. My bias this week is cautiously bearish. If we reject this zone, it's a strong bearish candlestick on the hourly or 4-hourly chart. However, I won't ignore a bullish continuous if the market breaks above and holds with momentum. And I will be watching for liquidity sweeps above last week's high, followed by reversals. This is where the best risk to reward setups tend to form for me. If the market starts slowly, I will wait for midweek before taking any aggressive entries. That's my breakdown for the week. EURUSD, USDJPY, Nasdaq. Remember, none of this is a financial advice. This is how I will be approaching the market based on my system. Keep your risk in check, stay patient, let the setup come to you. I'll update my progress on TikTok and Facebook, so follow along to see how this plays out. Trade safe, and I will see you in the next breakdown.